Sino yan? Who's the other one?
Daddy, 4 ako pa lang. Tapos ako, rich na ako.
Ah, rich ka na. Rich ka ba?
Opo. Ganyan yung anak ko. Tapos
Ito
4 ako.
poor. This
Ako.
one is poor. This one is rich. Talaga? Rich ka ba? Why?
That's how I want to be rich. I still 4 pa lang ngayon.
You want to be rich? How can you be rich?
Daddy, I have to be working.
Okay.
I have to study first. Okay. What food do you want? Huh?
Mami sabaw.
Daddy, I have to write a number first. You have to speak in Spanish numbers. Spanish numbers, okay?
Okay.
Pero write mo na.
Uno.
Wait. I'm still writing. Nag-stop ka lang, ha?
Hmm.
Dos.
Dos.
Uy, tatak pa lang ako.
Okay.
Hindi ako, hindi ka.